How can I recover my deleted iPhone photos?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we will be focusing on a common problem many iPhone users have faced: how to recover deleted photos. No need to panic if you've accidentally deleted a cherished photo, as we're here to guide you through the process of getting it back.
Is your photo really deleted?
Before we jump into recovery methods, it's important to check if your photo is truly deleted. iOS features a handy option called Recently Deleted in your Photos app. Steps 1. Open the Photos app. 2. Scroll down to the Albums section and tap on Recently Deleted. 3. If your deleted photo is there, simply select it and tap on Recover.
Can I restore from an iCloud backup?
If your photo isn't in the Recently Deleted album, don't lose hope just yet. If you have been backing up your photos to iCloud, you might be able to recover them. Steps 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on your name at the top, then select iCloud. 3. Choose Manage Storage, then tap on Backups. 4. Check the date of your last backup. If it's before the time you deleted the photo, you're in luck. 5. To restore from this backup, go back to the main settings menu. Tap on General, then Reset, then Erase all content and settings. 6. After erasing, your phone will restart. Follow the setup steps until you reach the Apps and Data screen. 7. Tap Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in to your iCloud account. Choose the backup that contains your deleted photo. Note: restoring from an iCloud backup will overwrite all the current data on your device. Make sure to back up any new data that you want to keep.
What about iTunes Finder backup?
You can also recover your deleted photos from an iTunes for Windows or macOS Mojave and earlier, or Finder for macOS Catalina and later, backup. Steps 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. 2. Select your iPhone when it appears. 3. Choose Restore Backup and select the backup that contains your deleted photos. 4. Click Restore. Note: as with iCloud, restoring from an iTunes Finder backup will replace all the current data on your device. We hope this guide was helpful in your quest to recover your deleted photos. Remember, it's always best to regularly back up your photos to prevent any future mishaps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Until next time, stay tech savvy.